Imagine a world where a single road could lead us all to riches, where wealth flowed effortlessly into our lives and we could bask in its glory without worry. Unfortunately, the path to success is far from this utopian vision. It is a journey that demands courage, sacrifice, and unwavering resilience. Success, defined differently by each individual, leads us down unique paths. Nonetheless, there are valuable lessons to be learned from those who have already achieved riches. So today, I'll take you to unlocking your wealth potential by following these proven steps. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Adding value. In any pursuit, whether it be a business venture or a career path, adding value is a potent strategy. Rich individuals consistently apply this principle to remain relevant in an ever-changing world, accumulating immense wealth in the process. They achieve this by offering valuable and impactful services. Imagine a world-class brain surgeon seeking employment at a prestigious hospital. The hospital would undoubtedly offer not only the job, but also a substantial salary. This is because the surgeon invested time and resources to master their skills, adding substantial value to their profession. The key takeaway here is that the foundation of success lies in adding value to one's life and the lives of others. By doing so, you can convince a multitude of people that your services warrant a significant paycheck. Number 2. Building multiple streams of income. Take a glance at Elon Musk's investment portfolio, and you'll quickly realize that Tesla is just one slice of his financial pie. With affiliations to companies like SpaceX, DeepMind, and SolarCity, Musk, the world's richest individual, diversifies his income channels extensively. This illustrates the importance of wealth through diversification and multiple income channels. Dependence on a single job can be financially limiting. It is wise to explore side hustles during your free time or delve into real estate to generate additional income through rental properties. Even savings accounts with interest-bearing options can contribute to your financial portfolio. The smartest financial move one can make is to multiply their income sources. A strategy employed by individuals like Elon Musk is to align these income sources with a central theme. For instance, if you have a passion for makeup, consider becoming a part-time makeup artist, selling cosmetics, owning a salon, and offering makeup tutorials. Implementing this step can bring the dream of wealth into reach. Number 3. Changing your money mindset. Robert Kiyosaki, the renowned author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, attributes his rich dad's success to his mindset. He boldly asserts that one must become rich in their mind before achieving financial wealth. This notion suggests that cultivating the right money mindset is the foundation of success. Kiyosaki's rich dad consistently sought opportunities to acquire wealth, while his poor dad fixated on his limitations, reinforcing his poverty. A transformed money mindset propels individuals to set clear goals and find the motivation to pursue them relentlessly. The obstacles along the way become mere stepping stones, as determination and drive override any adversity. Conversely, a poverty-stricken mindset can lead to poor financial decisions akin to wasting a wish from a genie's bottle. To emulate the success of the wealthy, one must adopt their unyielding determination and a transformed mindset. This entails recognizing the power of discipline and the profound impact of a changed perspective on wealth. Number 4. Find the right job for you. Success is often elusive when you're stuck in a job that you despise. It's crucial to find something you love and excel at, then discover a way to monetize it. This pursuit might not yield an enormous paycheck initially, but it will leave you feeling fulfilled. In the past, I couldn't comprehend how some of my friends would abruptly quit their jobs without a backup plan or a concrete reason. Often, their justification was a toxic office culture or dissatisfaction with their roles. However, I eventually realized that their substantial paychecks weren't mere luck. They had since chosen careers that they were passionate about and found satisfaction in their work. So year after year, they didn't feel drained or fatigued. Their careers gave them a sense of purpose, propelling them up the corporate ladder. In contrast, I had been accepting job offers solely based on the offered salary, ignoring all other factors. My point is this: don't follow in my footsteps. Find a job that suits you, and don't be afraid to leave when it no longer serves your goals. Number 5. Exploit the possibility of self-employment. Entrepreneurship is often portrayed as a daunting endeavor, with tales of struggle and hardship. However, it can also be immensely rewarding. You can explore self-employment by starting your own business or harnessing skills and talents you already possess, such as cooking, athletics, or artistic abilities. In these competitive fields, excellence is key. Dedicate yourself to constant improvement, learning new techniques, and refining your craft regularly. This dedication sets you apart from the competition and makes you the preferred choice of clients. Create a list of individuals you admire in your field and study their practices. If, for example, you aspire to be like Usain Bolt, observe his lifestyle and emulate his dedication to excellence. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the ThriveWise love, so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6, take a calculated risk. In the pursuit of wealth, there will always be a degree of risk involved. Whether you're seeking employment, starting a business, or investing in the stock market. By acknowledging and embracing this reality, you can better prepare yourself for whatever outcomes lie ahead. Making money often necessitates taking chances on your ideas, but taking calculated and prudent risk can safeguard your financial stability. Many individuals have fallen victim to imprudent investments, putting their life savings in exceedingly risky ventures without proper consideration. To achieve wealth, one must approach these decisions with a critical mindset, evaluating every possible outcome before venturing into uncharted waters. Seeking advice from financial planners can provide valuable insights into hidden pitfalls, traps, and lucrative opportunities. Number 7. Tax yourself. Consider this concept. Treat your savings as if they were tax money. Allocate your savings to a separate account, or better yet, open a locked savings account that permits deposits but restricts withdrawals. When you've paid your taxes, that money is essentially gone from your possession, right? Apply the same principle to your savings account, only withdrawing funds that you can return in full without delay. Number 8. Live below your means. Some of you may be watching this and start to think it's impossible to become rich from nothing, without any handouts or support from family or friends. However, that's far from the truth. If you can secure a decent job, you already possess the key to financial success. The first step is to start living below your means. You can begin by saving on housing costs, perhaps by living with your parents or sharing a house with roommates. Deny yourself some of life's luxuries like designer clothing, frequently dining out, or excessive partying. By making these sacrifices, you are safeguarding your financial future. Living below your means may sound simple, but many find it challenging to adhere to. If you struggle with this, consider implementing some practical tips. Create a monthly budget to guide your spending throughout the month. Be cautious about overspending on groceries by always shopping with a list and a spending limit. Embrace savvy shopping habits, such as using coupons and taking advantage of sales. These everyday practices can propel you towards financial success. Number 9. Create a plan and follow it. It's crucial to recognize that every journey needs a map. In this case, your map is your plan, which should have probably been step 1 in your quest to get rich. Inside this plan, you should outline your main goal, the destination you're working tirelessly towards, and the routes you'll take to reach that destination. When designing these routes, it's essential to maintain flexibility. Include at least 1 or 2 alternative paths to your goal to avoid giving up when you encounter roadblocks along the way. Meticulously planning your finances is a crucial aspect of this step. Develop a savings plan and establish an emergency fund. Keep concise records of your monthly income and expenditures. Understand how much you're saving and how much debt you're servicing. Create a budget and adhere to it as closely as possible. Taking these financial planning measures significantly increases your chances of achieving wealth. And finally, we have number 10. Invest your money. Despite the discouragement that often comes with living paycheck to paycheck, it's crucial to find a way to create wealth. And that includes venturing into investments. You don't need to break the bank to get started. Instead, start small and work your way up the investment ladder. Begin by researching opportunities in the money market, an ideal platform for risk-averse individuals who are new to investments. After gaining confidence, you can explore the stock market, eventually diversifying into real estate and company shares. Seize every opportunity to educate yourself about various investment options and strategies. It's also advisable to invest in areas you have some knowledge or understanding of, giving you the independence to make informed investment decisions. Well, that's basically unlocking your wealth potential by following these proven steps. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.